So my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss about the topic is called Pythagoras Theorem. So the Pythagoras Theorem applies on right angle triangle. So the theorem says there are two sides which is A and B. So the sum of a square of two other side which is equal to hypotenuse. So this side is called hypotenuse. So sum of a square of two other side is called hypotenuse. So how do we know about this line is hypotenuse? So hypotenuse is the longest line or distance, and the second things we can check by the angle, which we know that the right angle triangle has a 90 degree. The opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. If I take an example, for example, if I say this is triangle and this is also triangle and this is also triangle and this is also triangle, and how do we find hypotenuse? So very simple, okay? So you need to make right angle first. This is right angle. This is right angle. Okay. So opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So the longest line or opposite of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So Pythagoras says c square equal to a square plus b square. So sum of a square of two other side which is equal to hypotenuse. So let me take an example. So the first example, if I say there is a right angle triangle, the value for this right angle triangle is A is 3, B is 4. Find the value of C. So we need to find out hypotenuse, which is C. So I can write down C square equal to A square plus B square. So C under root A square plus B square. And we need to simply substitute the value to get the answer. So the 3 square plus 4 square and 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16. So the under root is 25, and we know that, okay? 5 times 5 is 25. So if we remove the roots, so the answer will be 5. So the value of C, which is 5. Going to take another example, okay? There is a right angle triangle. And if I say this is the value of 10 and this is the value of 8. So missing the value of A now. So we need to find the value of A. We need to work out how we can calculate the A. So we know the C square equal to A square plus B square. So it means if I move A square here, so A square, so C square minus B square. So A under root C square minus B square. So just simply substitute the value, which is 10 square minus b is a 8 square. So 100 minus 64. So the a will be what? 36 under root. And we know that 6 times 6 is 36. So the answer will be 6. So the value of a, work out by putting the value of C and B. Going to take another example, okay? This is right angle triangle. And if I'm going, this is 13 and this is 5, find the value of B. So same as this value, okay? So what we do? So the B equal to under root C square minus A square. And just substitute the value. C square means 13 square minus 5. So the B equal to 169 minus 25. So B under root 144, and we know that what? 12 times 12 is 144. So root will be cancelled. And the answer will be 12. So this is our third example. So there are three values in Pythagoras, okay? So hypotenuse equal to a square plus b square. So if we know two sides, so we can work out the third side easily. So as per first example, okay, we need to find out the hypotenuse, okay? We work out 5. So in the second example, okay, we need to work out A. So just substitute the value of C and B, work out, and to get the answer 6. In the last example, okay, we work out B by plugging the values of C and A. It means in Pythagoras theorem, if you know the two values out of 3, so you simply substitute the formula for Pythagoras and work out the missing value. If I summarize, Pythagoras, the C equal to a square plus b square, a c square minus b square, b equal to under root c square a square. So you can work out any missing value, either C, A or B. Now I'm going to discuss about one of the exam question, and it was very easy and simple. The examiner asked that there are three values. They already given three values. One is 8, 15, and the third one is 17. And the question was, do these make a right angle triangle? Prove your answer. By Pythagoras. So prove your answer by Pythagoras. So the values are 18, 15, 17. So first we do what? Take a triangle. Okay. And we know that the hypotenuse is opposite of 90 degree, and the longest line or distance of right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. So longest line, okay, as per three values, which one? Definitely 17. So this is 17. And 8 and 15 you can put like 8 and 15, either of sides. So we need to find out, okay, as per Pythagoras, what? C equal to under root a square plus b square. So the value of a, which is 8, and value of b, which is 15. If we solve this one, 64 plus 225 and 64 plus 289 and 17 times 17, which is 289. So it means 17 is your answer. Okay, the value of C is 17. So the Pythagoras says what? Sum of square of two sides, which is equal to hypotenuse. So what we did here, simply I put the values of A and B in the formula and work out the value of C. If the value of C match with our third value, which is 17, okay, so it means this is a right angle triangle. So this is Pythagoras theorem. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.